don't know.
Are you from up here?
No, I'm down in the valley.
We thought we were pretty good. We got
The thing is,
really?
yeah, his was getting stuck, and he's got a serious 4-wheel drive. Yeah, I just keep the wheels deadlocked straight. All right.
Holy crap! It is so crazy. It worked. Oh. You guys work together. Not like really thick shoes.
I have like boots, so I don't feel like putting them on.
I was not about to wear my Ugg boots.
Yeah, no, we're here for the fun of it. We're here for the fun of it. We're here for the fun of it. Yeah, I've been there like 8 years. Not this much snow yet.
Where's my phone go?
That's like a 10-year storm.
Nice.
Storm coming in about 3 hours too. Oh really? Yeah. Well, look it up. It's getting out of here. Oh, this is great. This is like we did.
Almost there.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. You want to back up a little bit to make sure you can...
I'm kind of warm now.